Okay, this is just a short little video on what you need to install a gate from a car. Turns out we've got this generator going with several different power tools. This gate is for the neighbor to access and cut his septic pile, his septic mound. He needs to get in here and outside access, not through the front driveway. So there is some preparation that you need when you're doing roadside maintenance. The cones. We had several different drills, drill bits, the hinges, all this prep, but it can be done. And I just thought it was exciting because we built the frame right on the road, and it's nice when people get to take a walk or do something. If they're walking or riding by, we can wave, and they know it's obvious what we're doing. And people understand that good fences make good neighbors. But at the same time, it does take some know-how to be able to figure out how to make a gate. So the deer fencing went up, and we needed to cut and add the posts with concrete. We had the hardware, which was nice, and the 2x4s. 3 different drivers for the shank, for the depth, and then for the driver. It turned out well. So we just wanted to share that and get a picture of this rig, because it's just great how Brian set it all up. Brian chop saw. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in.
Pretending we know what we're doing.
That's right.
Just pretending.